Nikola Tesla said this beautifully. He said, if you want to understand the secrets of the universe, you've got to start thinking in terms of energy, frequency, and vibration. Now, you and I, when we were born, we were created in a magnificent vibration. We are natural born risk takers. All babies are. Now, the conditioning actually takes place after birth, but you can change it because everything in life is vibration. If you've taken a chemistry class, you probably remember learning about atoms. And these atoms understand that everything is made up of atoms. Now, atoms are in a constant state of motion. And depending on the speed of the atoms, things will appear as either solid, liquid, or gas. Now, thoughts are vibration. The universe is the ultimate radio, and we each vibrate at our own frequency. Everything in nature vibrates at different frequencies. So you see, when parts of the body become stressed or diseased, they're actually not vibrating at their prime frequency. So, all one really needs to do to change any aspect of their life, heal any disease, create abundance, happiness, joy, is to raise their vibration and raise their frequency. So, I really want you to understand this. We are made up of nothing but vibrating energy. And it really helps to think of the human body as this magnificent quantum physics machine, because humans are made of cells, which are made of atoms, which are made of particles, and those particles are actually just vibrating energy. So energy just vibrates at specific frequencies. Now you are connected to everything in the universe, and everything is connected to you. Whether you can see it with your naked eye or not is unimportant. The only difference, though, between one thing and another is the density or the amplitude of its vibration. That's the only difference. So if you want to become more powerful, if you want to become, more understanding of your power, you have to develop the will. Now, what is the will? It's a mental faculty that gives you your ability to concentrate. And I'm going to give you an analogy that maybe you are familiar with that does the same exact thing. So let's say you go out on a nice sunny day and you take a magnifying glass, and you may have a piece of paper or maybe a few leaves, and you take the sun and you take the magnifying glass and you put the sun between the object and the magnifying glass. And there you can start a fire. You can actually start a fire. And how? Because you increase the amplitude of vibration. You see, the sun's rays, they become much more potent. They become hotter. And just like that, you can start a fire. You see, too many of us, we misdirect this power, and we think of too many unimportant things. And our mind is shooting all over the place. And it becomes like a total loss of control. So I want you to understand that you are in control of your mind. You are in control of the thoughts. And you, by your own choice, are also controlling the vibration that you're in.